Okay, today we will see some numericals on force on moving charge in a magnetic field and Biot-Savart's law and application. Okay, the first question. An alpha particle of mass 6.65 into 10 power 37 kilogram is traveling at right angles to a magnetic field with a speed of 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. The strength of the magnetic field is 0.2 Tesla. Calculate the force on the alpha particle and its acceleration. Therefore, this is based on, that is, alpha particle is moving in a magnetic field. Therefore, charge is moving in a magnetic field. And the charge moves in a magnetic field, that too it at right angles. At right angles to the magnetic field, then it experiences maximum force. Force on a moving charge in a magnetic field, it is based on that. Okay. Therefore, now we are going to see what are all the things given. Therefore, mass is given. Therefore, m that is equal to m is equal to 6.65 into 10 power minus 37 kilogram. Okay. And the charge of the alpha particle. Charge of the alpha particle means, I think you know, helium nucleus. Okay. Therefore, this is the mass number and this is the atomic number. That is, therefore, here, what is the charge? The charge is nothing but positive. Definitely, alpha particle has positive charge. And what is the charge here? Plus twice 2e, because 2. Okay, this therefore it is it has twice the charge of proton and 4 times the mass of the proton. Therefore, this is helium 42. Therefore, q that is equal to plus 2e. Therefore, the alpha particle only they'll give, but you should know what is the charge of alpha particle, and it is positive charge and plus 2e. Okay, right. The next one, what is the velocity is given? It moves with a velocity of 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second and at right angles to the magnetic field. Therefore, theta here that is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is angle between V and B. V and B. Okay. And B is also given. What is B? 0.2 Tesla. These are all the things given now. Therefore, you are asked to find out the force. Very simple direct problem. What is our F? That is equal to QVB sine theta. This we have derived now. QVB sine theta. Therefore, substitute. Therefore, on substituting, therefore, what is Q2 into E? That is, what is E? 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Correct? Therefore, it is 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 and velocity is 6 into 10 power 5 and B is 0.2 and sine theta is sine 90, that is 1. Okay, and this is what is that? F force. Okay, on solving, you people have to solve by yourself. Okay, multiply and you find the answer will be 3.84 into 10 power minus 14 Newton. If it is a class, regular class means I'll ask you to do these things, but it is not possible, but you try. Okay, you have to calculate. You cannot just like take the answer. The my answer may be wrong. I don't know. Okay, therefore you just check. It is 3.84 into 10 power minus 14 Newton. Okay, right. Then F is given. Then after that is acceleration is asked now, and its acceleration. Therefore, what is acceleration? Yay! Acceleration of alpha particle A, that is equal to F by M. That's it. Okay. Therefore, F, you know, that is 3.84 into 10 power minus 14 divided by mass. What is mass? 6.65 into 10 power minus 27. Okay, it is given now. Therefore, and on solving, you will be getting this 5.77 into 10 power 12 meter per second. This is the acceleration of the alpha meter per second squared. Meter per second acceleration. It is meter per second squared. Are you following? Therefore, this is the force and this is the acceleration. Okay, very simple direct problem. Second is, a current of 5 amps is flowing from south to north in a straight wire. Find the magnetic field due to a 1 centimeter piece of wire at a point 1 meter northeast from the piece of the wire. Here you see a current 5 amps is flowing from south to north. Direction is given, everything. So you need to first draw the diagram. So you have to understand the problem and then you have to draw the diagram. Therefore, what is that? See, a current of 5 amps is flowing from south to north. Okay, let me have this one. This is south and this is north. Okay, and if this is south, north means I think you know how to, therefore this should be east and this should be west. Correct? Right. Now, what is the direction here? The direction of, see, it is from south to north. Okay, current, what is a 5 amps? Okay, therefore here it is current here is 5 amps is flowing south to north, and you have a very small, what is that here at the origin you are keeping. Okay, therefore this is what is the length of the wire? Here, see, here it is given I, that is equal to 5 amps. Okay, and okay, I, that is equal to 5 amps, and straight DL, the small, the DL is there, no, DL, that is equal to 1 centimeter, right? Then what is your radius? Radius, distance, the point here is at a distance 1 meter, therefore this is the point of interest, and this is 1 meter. Okay, this is DL. Okay, therefore DL is equal to 1 meter and 1 centimeter, R, that is equal to 1 meter, and here to the north, see, that I have to first tell, no, what is that? Northeast, therefore it is northeast means P is here, no, that's why I kept P here. See, northeast from the piece of the wire, therefore it is north and this is east, therefore it is at northeast to the piece of the wire, means usually in that case you can have to take the angle only as middle of that at 45 degrees, northeast, that you have to. Okay, therefore northeast, therefore it is very, what is that? Find the magnetic field due to 1 centimeter piece of the wire at a point 1 meter northeast from the piece of the wire. North is the total angle between north and east is 90. Northeast means you have to take half that, that is 45. That you have to understand, right? Therefore, sometimes it is 45 degrees. Okay. Therefore, now what is theta? That is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Therefore, sometimes they may give the figure also. Here sometimes you have to do, if the figure is not given, you have to take it as 45 degrees. Okay, right. Therefore, now what are all the things? Everything is given here. I think you centimeter means you convert it into meter, 0.01 meter. Right. Therefore, everything is ready. We are asked to find out the field at P. Therefore, due to this small element dl, therefore, what is dB? By using Biot-Savart law, okay, mu naught by 4 pi into I dl sine theta by r square. Okay, this is application of Biot-Savart. Just you have to apply the, from that everything is given here. Very simple. Therefore, that is mu naught. What is mu naught? Mu naught is 4 pi. What is mu naught here? Mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. I think you know, no? Right. Therefore, this you know. Therefore, let me apply. Here it is, that is dB, that is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into I is 5 into dl is 0.01 into sine 45, okay, divided by, what is r? 1 only, therefore 1 square. Okay, therefore I have given mu naught by 4 pi is also there, 4 pi, mu naught by 4 pi. Okay, this will go. Therefore, you will be getting only 10 power minus 7, 5 into 0.01, sine 45. Sine 45, you know, 1 by root 2. Therefore, if you substitute the values, okay, then you will be getting this dB value of dB as 3.5 0.54 into 10 power minus 9 Tesla. Are you following? So this is only the magnitude. But you are asked to find out the magnetic field, means you have to give both the magnitude. Now you have to, this is a magnitude, therefore what is the direction? You have to give. Okay, what is the direction? You see, make use of your right hand thumb rule. How to here hold your what is that right hand the what is that the thumb of your right hand, okay, perpendicular, mutually perpendicular grip of the fingers such that the thumb shows the direction of the current. Therefore, thumb should be in this direction. Thumb shows the direction of the current. Current is from south to north. No, it is given. Okay. Therefore, curvature of the fingers. The curvature of the fingers will be in which direction if you keep it? Curvature of the finger should be like this one, Lena. Curvature of the finger should be, hope you are following, anti-clockwise direction. Keep your, what is that? Use your thumb and of your right hand and with the folded fingers. Okay. And the curvature of the finger shows the direction of the magnetic field, right? Therefore, it will be in this direction, anti-clockwise direction, curvature. Therefore, it is anti-clockwise direction, means therefore you will be getting at P, it is going, you see, anti-clockwise. If you at P, it goes inside, downward. If you take at the same symmetrically at P dash here, it will be coming outward, perpendicular to the plane of the board, outward at P dash, and perpendicular plane of the to the plane of the board and or your paper, okay, and downward and inwards. Are you following? Therefore, it is vertically, direction is vertically itself. What is perpendicular plane? Okay, vertically downwards or perpendicular to the plane of the board or your paper, your notebook, okay, paper, and downwards or inwards. Are you following, children? Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, it is application of just applied Biot-Savart law. All the data are directly given. It's not a very big issue. Okay, right. Third, in a hydrogen atom, the electron is making 6.6 into 10 power 15 revolutions per second. Okay, in a circular path of radius is given 0.53 angstrom. Okay, what is the magnetic induction? Magnetic field induction produced at the center of the orbit. Very simple. See, what is that? See here, electron, the hydrogen atom electron is making so many revolutions. Therefore, it is given in a circular orbit. Consider as a circular orbit. Okay, and here what is the radius here? The radius here is r, and what is radius here? Radius of the orbit is 0.53 angstrom. Angstrom means what is that? Into 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, so 53 into 10 power minus 10 meter. Are you following? Right. Therefore, what else is given? Anything else? Hydrogen atom, the electron is moving 6.6 in 10 power 15 revolutions per second. Now, frequency is given. Number of revolutions per second is nothing but frequency, na? Therefore, frequency is given as it is frequency of revolution. Okay, of electron in an atom. Okay, is given. Mu, that is equal to what is the value? 6.6 into 10 power minus 15. Okay, revolutions per second. Revolutions per second means RPS. Revolutions per second. It is given. Okay, or hertz. Okay, right. Only these two things are given now. Right. And it is an electron. Okay, right. Therefore, what is the charge of the electron? E, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Everything is known. Now you are asked for what? What is a magnetic field inductor? Therefore the electron here, you see, electron is revolving. Whatever is the direction. Okay. Okay, when the electron is revolving in a circular orbit, well, definitely it will produce some current. Okay, therefore current will be in the opposite direction. Therefore, the current will be produced in the orbit when the electron is revolving in the orbit. Definitely, what is that? Electron is revolving, electron is moving. Moving charge produces definitely current. Okay, therefore, but electron is moving in a circular. If electron is moving in anti-clockwise direction, current will be produced in the clockwise direction and vice versa, because it is an electron. Okay, negative charge. Therefore, there is some, for example, the what is the current is definitely on in the orbit there will be some current. Definitely. Are you following? Therefore, now the orbit itself acts as a current carrying circular coil now. Okay, current carrying circular coil. Therefore, now you are asked to find out the magnetic induction at the center here. Oh, therefore, it is nothing but current at the center of the current see magnetic field at the center of the current carrying circular coil. The formula is ready with you. Already we have derived. Therefore, now shall we go? Therefore, magnetic field. Let me use that same magnetic field. Okay, at the center of the electron orbit. Which orbit? Electron is given by B is equal to mu naught I by 2R. Mu naught I by 2R. Already we have seen. We have derived it. Okay. So now R is given but I is not given. Instead, now we have to find out I. Therefore, what is I? I that is equal to charge per time now. Hope you are following. Q by T na. What is Q? E by T. Here charge is nothing but E. But E, that is equal to E into 1 by T. E into 1 by T. 1 by T is nothing but frequency na. What is T here? T is a time taken to complete one revolution. Time taken to complete one revolution. Therefore, what is that? 1 by T will be, what is the frequency? Therefore, E into nu. E into nu. Hope you are following, children. Okay, therefore, I that is equal to, what is E here? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into what is nu? 6.6 into 10 power minus 15. Okay, and 10 power 15 minus it. How it will be minus 15? Okay, it is plus 15. Okay, frequency here, how what I have written, let me see, 15, 6.6 10 power 15 money. Okay, therefore it is 6.6 into 10 power 15, number of revolutions per second, 10 power 15 revolutions around per second. Is it clear? Therefore, the answer, if you solve it, you will be getting this as 1.056 into 10 power minus 3 amps, around 1 milliamps current. Correct? Around 1 milliamps current is produced. Okay, therefore, now you know what is I. This I you have to substitute in this equation B. Therefore, B that is equal to, okay, mu naught 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into I is 1.056 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2 into, what is the radius? 0.53 in 10 power minus 7. Okay, therefore 0.53 divided by 2R na. Therefore 0.53 into 10 power minus 10 into 10 power minus 10. Is it clear, children? Okay, therefore on solving, okay, you solve by yourself. Therefore B, if you solve, the answer what you will be getting is 12.5 Tesla. 12.5 Tesla. Are you following? Okay, so the direction is depending upon the direction of motion. Okay, therefore, if it is moving in the electron, here if I consider that this is the charge of electron is revolving like that. Okay, the current will be in the clockwise direction. Current is clockwise direction means it will be, use your right, if the curvature shows the current in the circular coil and at the center, what will be the magnetic field? Thumb shows the direction of the magnetic field. How I told you one law exclusively for finding the direction of the magnetic field, the center of the current carrying circular coil, right hand thumb rule. Okay, keep your thumb at the center, and the curvature should show the direction of the current in the circular coil. Therefore, direction in which the thumb shows, that will be the direction of the magnetic field at the center. Okay, so that's it. Okay, next question now. Okay, an electric current is flowing in a circular coil of radius A. At what distance from the center of the axis of the coil will the magnetic field be 1/8 of its value at the center? Okay, an electric current is flowing in a circular coil of radius A. At what distance from the center on the axis of the coil will the magnetic field be 1/8? Therefore, see here, this is the circular coil. And radius is given as A. Radius given as A. Okay, therefore at what distance, therefore you have to find out at what distance, this is the point, okay, where the field here, okay, the field here will be 1/8 of the field at the center. Okay, B at P, okay, at this point should be 1/8 of the field at the center, that is O. Are you following? So this is yeah, what distance, that is the distance here is, what is it, X. Okay, at what distance yeah, the point P should be, so that at P the field should be 1/8 of the field at the center. That is a question. Okay, therefore very simple only. What is BP? Okay, what is BP? BP, that is equal to, see, on the axis of the, what is that, a circular coil, na, there is one formula is there. What is that? Mu naught, okay, mu naught n, number of turns here is not there, number of turns, only one coil, circular coil only. Therefore, mu naught I A squared by 2 into A square plus, इतना R squared का तो A किया है, देखिए R is equal to A. Why? Because it's given, that's why. A square plus X square the whole power 3/2. Okay, so this is BP. Okay, and what is BC? B क्या? BO. B center is nothing but BO na. B at the center. What is the formula? Center के लिए what is the, you know, mu naught I by 2R na. 2R is 2A na. I by 2A. Correct? Okay, this is 2. But what is given? Given is this. What is given? Given is, see, it is very clearly given. At what distance from the center on the axis of the coil will the magnetic field be 1/8 of its value at the center? See here, coil is kept perpendicular to the plane of the board. Coil is this is how we have it. Okay, it is perpendicular to the plane of the board. Okay, therefore now given is, what is the BP? That is equal to 1/8 BO. BO is center. Okay, therefore mu naught I A square divided by 2 into A square plus X square the whole power 3/2 is BP. That is equal to 1/8 times mu naught I by 2A. Are you following, children? Okay, therefore everything, what are all the things? See, will cancel, it will cancel. Therefore you will be getting this. What is your 8A cube? 8A cube, that is equal to A square plus X square the whole power 3/2 है ना? Okay, therefore you take cube root. Okay, cube root means it will be 2A हो जाएगा ना. That is equal to A square plus X square, इसका भी cube root लेने से half हो जाएगा ना. Right? Okay, now what you can do, you square it because I don't want the root here. Square the equation. Are you following, children? Okay, square the equation. Therefore, 4a square हो जाएगा ना? For first, I don't want the 3 by 2. So what are 3? The cube root किया है. It is very easily, nicely it is kept. 8a cube means 2a cube root. Therefore, now after that, I don't want this root also because I need x here. I need to find out x at what distance. Okay, the question is at what distance on the axis the field becomes 1 by 8 at the center, field at the center. Therefore, 4a squared that is equal to a square plus x squared na? Squaring, I am telling you, nothing I am writing here, 2a, therefore square karne se, you will be getting the like this. Are you following? Okay, therefore, from this I think very simple, what is your x squared? Therefore, x squared is equal to 3a squared हो जाएगा. Therefore, what is your x? X is root 3a. X is nothing but root 3a. Okay. Therefore, the distance here, x at what distance? X should be at the distance that is root 3 times the radius of the coil. Root 3 times the radius of the coil. Okay. Right. Next. A circular coil of 120 turns has a radius of 18 centimeter. Okay. Carries a current of 3 amps. Okay. Circular coil of 120 turns. Therefore, N is given. N that is equal to 120. Okay. Then I that is equal to 3 amps. Then what is radius? Radius of the coil. Radius of the coil R that is equal to क्या है 18 centimeter, that is equal to 0.18 meter. Okay, right. Now, so it is, these are all the things given. What is the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center of the coil? That is first one. Magnitude at the center of the coil. Therefore, B magnitude, very simple, this is B at the center. Okay, that is equal to so I'll at the center, that is equal to formula, direct formula, mu naught I by 2r. Okay, therefore that is nothing but substitute mu naught 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into 3 divided by 2 into 0.18. Are you following? Therefore, now on substituting, okay, into mu naught ni na, into n, mu naught ni. The number of turns is there now, into 120. Into 120. There is a, okay, therefore, that is nothing but, hope you are following. Mu naught is over this n by 2r, right? Therefore, on solving, you will be getting B at the center. That is equal, center of the coil is 1.26. All of you, once again I am telling you, solve. And you check whether it is tallying with this. I answer. Okay, 1.26 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. Right. The first part is very simple, at the center of the coil. Next one, at the point on the axis of the coil, second point, see, at a point on the axis of the coil, at a distance from the center equal to the radius of the coil. Equal to the radius of the coil. How? See, here, second case is, okay, this is the radius. Okay, at the same distance from the center, this is P. Therefore, this x, this is your x is equal to r. Okay, therefore this distance, this is O. Okay, therefore OP is nothing but x, that should be equal to r. That is what is given here. Are you following? Therefore, substitute, this is also, therefore here, you know that mu naught r square plus, therefore r that is equal to here. Second question, given r that is equal to x. X is equal to R. Of course, X is equal to R. Okay, it is given because X, the distance X equal to R. Okay, therefore substitute, therefore what is BP? Therefore BP, that is equal to, formula hai na, mu naught, okay, I a square divided by 2 into a square plus x squared the whole power 3 by 2. Are you following? That is nothing but, okay, that is equal to mu naught I a squared. A is r na, इसमें तो radius is given as r therefore okay, see children, here इसको तो r करो, इसको भी r करो, okay, radius तो r दिया है ना, see that sometimes it is r, sometimes it is a, whatever is given, okay, therefore it is r squared plus x squared the whole power 3 by 2. I think we derived with r. V naught I r squared divided by 2 into, ये दोनों r is equal to x ना, therefore 2r the whole power 3 by 2. Okay, 2r the whole power 3 by 2. Okay, therefore that is on substituting, you will be getting, okay, 4 pi into 10 power minus 7, 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into what is I? I here, let me see, 3. Into 3 into, what is your R? 0.18, R squared. 0.18 the whole squared divided by 2 into क्या है, 2R, 2 into 0.18, okay, the whole power 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2. Okay, on solving, here I think you know how to take log and all, okay, so on solving you will be getting this one as 4.4 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. 4.4 10 power minus 4 Tesla. Here they have not given the direction of the current and all. If, see, that is very important. Therefore, there is no, you cannot find out the direction of the magnetic field. Okay. So direction of the current is nothing, is not given. Therefore, you can stop with the magnitude itself. Is it clear? Right. Next question, see. The wire is shown carries a current of 10 amps, right? Current of 10 amps. Determine the magnitude of the magnetic field at the center O. At the center O. Given the radius of the bent coil is 3 centimeter. Radius is given as 3 centimeter. Okay. So now you find what is your R is given as, okay, 3 centimeter, therefore 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and I, that is equal to 10 amps. Okay, and this angle, you see, it is not a full coil, full circular coil. See, the current enters like this and it comes out like this, and here this portion of the coil is missing, correct? This portion of the coil is missing, very very important. Okay, only, therefore it is 90 degrees, it is 90, therefore only 3/4 of the coil is there. 3/4 of full coil is there. Why? 9, are you following? 9 into 90. 90 means 90 into 4, 360. Total is 360. Okay, therefore only 3/4 from the angle you have to decide this. Only 3/4 of the coil is only there. Depending upon the angle you have to decide. If it is 60 means you have to. What is 1/6? 3. Okay, therefore like that. Angle is 1/6 na, 6, like that you have to. Okay, 30, 60, depending upon that. Here it is 90, therefore only, what is that, 3/4 of the coil is only there. Are you following? Therefore, you have to, what is the field? Therefore, let the point be O. Therefore, what is the field at the center? Anything else is given here? These two, that's it. Okay, therefore, what is your B formula? B at the center, B at O, at the center. You usually see, you can find center of the full coil. See, B at the center of the full coil means that is mu naught I by 2R na. But it is not the full coil, but it's 3/4 of the coil only na. Therefore into 3 by 4 karo. Very simple. You can do like that. 3/4 of the coil. Are you following? Therefore you will be getting mu naught. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into I is 10, okay, into 3 divided by 2 into R is 3 into 10 power minus 2 into 4, 3 by 4. Are you following, children? Is it clear? Therefore, the answer what you, I think we have substituted properly. 4 pi into I and 3, 2 R into 4. Okay. Therefore, you will be getting the answer as here 1.57 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla. This is the magnitude at the center. Okay. Due to 3/4 of the coil, current carrying coil. Okay. But what is the direction of the current? It is, use your right hand rule. The direction of the current is, curvature should be in the direction of the current in the coil. Therefore, it is curvature is clockwise direction. Therefore, your thumb will be, what is the perpendicular to the plane of the coil and directed inwards, downward. Correct? Therefore, direction, because here direction of current is given. Therefore, whether it is asked or not, you have to give the direction. If direction of current is not given, means then there is no need. Only you stop with magnitude. Okay. Therefore, direction of B is perpendicular to plane of coil. Coil here is on the board. Okay, coil and inwards or downwards. Are you following? Okay, so mu naught I by 2R into 3 by 4 is correct, right? Therefore 3/4, that you have to decide. 3 for 90 means only 3/4 of the coil is there. Depending upon the angle, you have to decide how much is the, should be the field at the center. Okay, right. Now next. Two coaxial circular loops L1 and L2 of radii 3 cm and 4 cm are placed as shown. What should be the magnitude and direction of the current in the loop L2 so that the net magnetic field at the point O is 0? Okay, therefore BO is 0. Should be equal to 0. Therefore, what should be the direction of the current in L2? It is L2. Given L1 and L2. Okay, it is L2. Okay, therefore you see here, as usual the coil is kept coaxial coil. Therefore centers are actually centers are both the centers are in the same line. Okay, therefore it is O1 and here it is O2. Okay, therefore now see at L1 the direction of the current is, you see if it is, the current is in the, you can say that it is in which direction the current. For example, your field is field here at O, the field due to first coil B1. Let me have this one. B1 is in this direction. Use your right hand thumb rule. Once again, I cannot say, you have to apply. Okay, therefore what is that? For B1 due at O, B1 will be to the right. Okay, therefore what should be B2? B2, the magnitude should be same, magnitude and direction should be same now. Okay, what at O. Okay, therefore your B1 should be equal to minus B2. Correct? Minus B2. Both magnitude should be the same, but the direction should be opposite. Are you following? Therefore, your B2 should be in this direction. B2, B at to O, everything I am with respect to O at this point. B2 should be to the left. B2 should be to the left means what should be the direction here? You see, the direction should be just in the opposite direction it should be. Are you following? Okay. Therefore, the direction should be opposite to that loop direction in the loop. In the loop L1. Therefore, it should be like this. Just you think. Okay, do that one. Okay, therefore, it should be keep two bangles, two circular coils like that, and then you can realize. Okay, center to center, join at some point you want at O. There only your field should be 0. 0 means at O the field due to L1 should be equal and opposite to that field due to L2. Okay, right. Therefore, now very simple. What is B1? Let me directly substitute. What is B1? Therefore, magnitude wise both should be same. What is the okay magnitude? Say direction I have given. What is the direction? Direction is in the opposite direction. The current in the coil L2 should be opposite to that in L1. Very important. Current in coil L2 should be opposite to that in L1. Therefore, magnitude wise both should be same. B1 should be equal to B2 na? Okay. Therefore, substitute what is B1 on the axis. Okay. Therefore, mu naught I. What is A? What is here? A1. Given A1 is equal to 3 centimeter. A2 that is equal to 4 centimeter. Correct? Okay, and here x1 that is equal to 4 centimeter and x2 that is equal to 3 centimeter, just opposite. Okay, very simple then. Okay, so they have interchange. R and x and A is interchange, that's all. Therefore, mu naught I, okay, though B1 is equal to B2, both the direction there is no need for you to change it to SI unit because anyhow, what is it here also centimeter means that side also, left side is B1 is everything is substitute in centimeter, B2 will also be in centimeter means it's not going to matter. There is meter or centimeter. Hope you're following, everything will cancel now. Okay, into 10 power minus 2 karna hai, this side also, B1 also, B2 also you have to do. If it will cancel, it is not going to matter at all. Hope you're following. Okay, therefore, mu naught I1, let me write. Mu naught I1, A1 squared divided by, okay, 2 into, okay, A squared plus X squared. Therefore, A1 squared plus X1 squared the whole power 3 by 2. Hope you are following. Okay, radius is A here. Okay, that is equal to mu naught I2 A2 squared divided by 2 into A2 squared plus X2 squared the whole power 3 by 2. Is it clear? Therefore, you just see here mu naught everything it will cancel here, right? Okay. Therefore, now you see here that is nothing but I1. Now you substitute. What is I1? I1 is 1 amps, right? Therefore, 1 into. What is A1? A1 is 3. Okay, 3 square centimeter, let it be, no problem because that side also centimeter. Okay, you are following because it is going to cancel into 10 power, इसमें तो into 10 power minus 4 करने से, if you want. Okay, 10 power minus 4. Here also 10 power minus 4, it will cancel. This side also 10 power minus 4 na, therefore that will cancel. That is why I unnecessarily why to complicate the calculation, that is why. Okay, if it is required, okay, but here it is anyhow it is going to cancel, so just like the NKP. Okay, A squared, A1 is right, divided by what is A1? A1 is 3 squared plus x1 plus 4 squared. It is everything centimeter mein. Okay, that is equal to I2 into, for A2 is 4, therefore 4 squared divided by, okay, A2 is 4, therefore 4 squared plus 3 squared. Are you following? The whole for 3 by 2 and okay, okay. Right, therefore this will cancel. No need for any calculation here. Unnecessarily don't convert it to 0.04, 0.03 and all. See, you should do the calculation smartly, that you should know. Okay, so here everything it is in here 3, 4, 4, 3. It is not going to matter at all here. Close your eyes and cancel it. Why unnecessary to substitute? Finding out everything now. Okay, therefore that is 9, that is equal to 16 I2, correct? 16 I2. Therefore, what is the I2? Therefore, I2 that is equal to 9 by 16 हो जाएगा ना? 9 by 16 that is equal to 0.56 amps. 0.56 amps. Is it clear?